Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a little thing on my Mustang, and I got a Gurney flap, and it's for a GT500 spoiler. I didn't have one. I think adding it will look a little better, and I want to show you it's pretty easy. I do have to drill on my existing, but I'm gonna. It has, obviously the holes already on the Gurney flap, so it shouldn't be too hard. Show you that real quick, give you little updates on what I'm doing with my home projects. This is my office currently. It's really plain. My wife does work at home, so I did do the flooring myself. This is the same flooring we had throughout the whole house. The whole house came with it. We chose it as an upgrade, so it was carpet, and we wanted to make this an office space, so I went ahead and did the flooring. It was a pretty cool project, my first time doing it. Loved it. But working at home, we wanted to make this change, so we just ordered the custom bookshelves, and I will show you how that looks after. But this is the before, and not a whole lot of big space, but we'll make it work. So I want to show you that in the future. So please subscribe to that so you can see that, and we'll get right to work. All right, what do we have here? All right, this is the before. Cold morning here in end of February. I haven't posted a video in a while, so I wanted to show you guys a little update, give you a little update what we're doing with our lives. But beautiful day, a little chilly this morning, but we'll knock it down. This is the wing here. So it is a GT500 spoiler. It is aftermarket. It is black, goes along with my car. Now I don't have any carbon fiber on my vehicle, but I think by adding it we'll at least give it a little pop. So this is it right here. Gurney flap. Got it off of eBay. And then it is carbon fiber. And there are the holes right there. So we're gonna lay this on it, and it should add a little pop to it. So without further ado, let's get it going. All right, tools and stuff I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna use this tape here to kind of mock it up onto the current spoiler, so I can kind of level it, make sure it's positioned, then I can go ahead and drill. It does come with these, little sticky things here, so we can stick it on there, adhesive. And the screws that came with it as well. So screwdriver, screw that on, drill to drill the holes into that, and some water because I'm gonna be thirsty. And that's it. It should be a fast, simple video, and much more to come. Do is kind of make it where it's even. I already looked at it, everything is good. Don't mind the tape, but once I screw these in, it's gonna go all the way flush. But mock it up to your liking where it's even. I think it's gonna look wonderful. Nice little piece. It's not much, but it'll do. So it's gonna look pretty nice. A little pop, I guess. And let's finish the rest. Add a little pop. Looks great, easy install. Bolts went right in. Carbon fiber. Beautiful. Again, Gurney flap, GT500 wing. Gurney, G-U-R-N-E-Y, flap. Looks good, guys. So again, another successful video. Please subscribe. We'll show you some more. This is just the beginning, you guys. You know what? Let me show you how it looks in the sun. I was in the garage. What it is, I got everything out, and then once it was out, I got all the adhesive, stuck it on, and then screwed it right back on. So clean work. Car is dirty, so sorry, I gotta wash that next. But I like the results, guys. Just make sure you guys see the carbon fiber contrast to the black. I originally ordered the black, but then changed my mind. Thought maybe this would be a little different touch. So there you go. There's that contrast right there. I think it looks good. I'm thinking about wrapping the top carbon as well to kind of match. What do you guys think? So easy. This part cost 200 bucks, guys. The wing itself was like 200 something as well. So it is not, it transforms the car and it's not expensive. So like and subscribe, please. What do you guys think? Tell me. Thank you so much again. We'll catch you again.